As turbulences may cure unexpectedly at any time, please fasten your seatbelt, please fasten your seatbelt, please fasten your seatbelt.
We in Italy. Advanced bathrooms. Still looking for the right baggage claim belt. Oh, and there it comes. First Italian pizza. I think it's gonna get better from here.
Well, here I am in Italy. We're gonna go traveling around.
We're finally getting out. It's 12:30. I had a lovely warm shower. It's really rainy out. Maybe it's not so crowded. We know exactly where we're going to eat and see, kind of. These beautiful cobblestone streets. This does not look very clean. We're here.
What?
Beautiful sun-dried tomatoes from Sicily. It's cool. Genovese with black truffle.
Looking straight. I was right.
Ding, ding, ding.
Do I get the word?
It is coming down now. Got the umbrella vendors rushing over to try to sell us umbrellas. They are everywhere. Little Rain never hurt anyone.
Nobody.
Except maybe that witch from Wizard of Oz.
Wow, that's so Roman.
Hey, this building looks kind of cool. Is this a special building? The Parthenon? The Colosseum? Is it the Colosseum? Amphitheater?
You walked right past it.
Whatever. No bathing suit, but it's real wet out.
Introduction of food, no smoking, no telephone, no?
Seriously?
No.
No skating? Look at these floors. It's kind of tall, right? Right, this is it. It's the Pantheon. Oh, it's tall. It's really tall. Raphael's body was taken here. There's some nice paintings, I guess. If you're into Christianity, come here. Talk about riding in style. Look at that.
I think it's a one-person car.
Oh, it's definitely a one-person car.
I hope so. I like to take my shoes off Saturday.
It's a video. It's a video, Mom.
A video. Really?
Yeah.
Video?
Yep.
Okay. So I have to be neat, right?
No.
It's too hot.
How is it?
Good.
We checked out of our Airbnb. We just got to our other hostel. We're going to see if we can check out the market today, head to the Colosseum, and probably leave a day early from Rome. Start heading over to Naples. After that, Florence.
I should be flattered as your mother that you want to spend time with me. That's what I read. That up. Wait to have some of that. Those I have to put
It's hot. Saw cacio e pepe supli and I came running.
Right? Oh, you take a picture? What?
I have to try it.
Or something I'd say, you know.
There's multiple entrances on the bottom. That's how the crowds entered. Beautiful day in Rome. It's been pouring all day. You're so short. Look, I can keep you out of it.
Look
Beamer.
at that. Got it?
My mom says, Adam, I don't want to be in the videos. I look bad. And then she says, Adam, I want to be in the videos. Come on, why am I not in them?
said that, Adam.
She said that.
I did
This
not
is
say
truth.
that.
So much cheese. We just came from the Testaccio food market. Really expensive, but the food is good. They had good fruit and good boots, I guess. We got boots. Now we're headed to the Colosseum. We don't have any tickets, so we're gonna see if we can buy them at the door.